Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2011 Ford F-550 utility service welding truck. This truck only has 113,000 original miles on a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel and an automatic transmission. It has a Lincoln welder, classic 300D diesel welder. Overall, the truck's in really nice condition inside and out, very cosmetically presentable, and overall in good condition. It runs down the road as it should. Overall, a pretty nice truck. All the tires are in good shape with deep tread remaining, appear to be in good working condition. Frame and underside, you'll see some light surface rust, but nothing out of line. For a Maryland truck, it's in pretty good condition overall. No major body rust or anything crazy. We'll take a look at the interior. It is just a base XL work truck, so it's got crank windows, vinyl floors, and vinyl seats. It does have a bench seat with the flip down console, but the floor is in really nice shape, a nice black color, and overall presents very well. No rips or tears in the seat that I can see. We'll go ahead and start her up. Thing starts right up, sounds great. It's got 112,722 miles at the time of this video. As you can hear, it starts right up. We will go ahead and see the hours here. 8,400 hours, 8,443 hours. AM, FM radio, heat and air conditioning, some accessories, auxiliaries, some lights. This truck has a bunch of work lights in the back. I've attached some pictures into the listing of that. It's got a ton of work lights for night work. But overall, this interior is in nice shape. You'll see some wear on the dash there. Headliner's in good shape. Nothing out of the ordinary for a nice work truck. You can hear that 6.7, sounds great. Started right up. It's a pretty cold day here, but it had no issues firing right up. Utility body's in good shape. It is a Redding box. It's a 9-foot Redding box. We'll take a look at the meat and potatoes here. If you look one of these up, you'll know what these are. This thing fires right up. We'll go ahead and start it up. Again, it's a cold day today. I just started it. Thing sounds great. Starts right up. It's not super loud. It's a really nice welder. So as you can see on top there, we've got work lights throughout. They're LED work lights. Again, I've taken some pictures of those, so you should see night work is going to be no problem for this truck. We'll go ahead and shut it off. As you heard, it fired right up. Little compartment here. But inside these boxes, they're in really nice condition. It's got a rubberized type, that's a plastic type thing there on the bottom, but the floor bottoms are in really nice condition. Inside, looks like they're hardly been used. The exterior boxes are in real nice shape. You can see some lights inside there as well. All the tires, again, deep tread remaining. Really nice Goodyear tires. Frame and underside, again, you'll see some light surface rust, but nothing out of line. It's in real nice shape overall. We'll get underneath of it. It's in good shape. This is a sharp, clean, and presentable truck. It's got a rear step bumper with a huge vise on the back. On the passenger side is where you'll actually jump up there. We got a roll-up rear door. You can walk in this thing. That's the cool part about this truck. This body is awesome. You're able to walk inside of it, do some work, store some tools and material in the back. Look at that, more LED work lights up top. This truck was made to be used at night. It's got a ton of lights throughout. As you can see up here, some more. This side's no different. The utility box is in good shape. Looks like it has been repainted, but overall it shows extremely well. The rear step bumper here in good shape. Look at that vise. That is a huge vise, and it's coming with the truck. We'll go ahead and open this up. It's really nice, like I said, to be able to walk in. I'm about 6 feet tall. I do have to duck slightly to get through this rear door, but once you're in here, I've got plenty of room. I've got, another foot or so. But looking inside here, diamond plate floor, all in very nice shape, very solid. Don't see any rust, any major rust. You'll see some light surface rust, but nothing out of the ordinary. But Great place to put all your welding supplies or any type of tools or material that you're using, some metals. It's in really nice shape. There's a lot of room to move about in here. And overall, in really nice condition. This is a really cool truck. It's hard to find welding trucks right now. This is an enclosed one, obviously. You can get out of the weather, keep your tools nice and dry. Here's all your switches for your lights on the exterior and inside here. I'll leave that door open. But again, this side's no different. No major wear and tear on this thing. It looks really nice. Inside the boxes, you'll see the floor bottoms are still very solid. Some sheet metal shelves, all in good condition. This is a nice Redding box. Got some homemade dividers there. And all these boxes look like they have lights inside of them. It's a really optioned box. It's really nice. Got a huge welder on it. Again, all the way around, good tires. Frame and underside's in pretty decent shape. Shows pretty well underneath. There's where you can put your tanks. This truck does take DEF, as you can see there. So being a 2011, this truck should be compliant in all states, even California, but check with your local laws. But it's got all the emissions still intact. The truck has not been deleted. Everything is functioning correctly. Take a look at the cab, but this truck's in good shape. It's just a good truck, relatively low mileage, 6.7 power stroke. Real nice shape. Very quiet engine, very powerful engine. You can load that box down and go to work. But no stories with this truck, guys. Just a good working truck that you can hop in, go to work. It's got a big, nice Lincoln diesel welder. Starts right up. It's about 30 couple degrees. That thing fired right up once you went through the glow plug cycles. It's just a really sharp truck. Relatively low mileage, 6.7 power stroke, a super nice, well-optioned body. It's a walk-in style body. This is a hard to find truck. If you're looking for this truck, you're gonna fall in love with this one. There's not many out there like this, and I know that because I look for them every day. So, but you can check this truck out for sale on eBay. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message. I'd be happy to help you. I can ship this truck throughout the United States. Call me and I'll give you a quote on that. We are Lewis Motor Company. We're located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. For any other questions on this truck or any other trucks have listed for sale, please do not hesitate to call me. Trucks are moving quick right now. We're getting to the end of the year. Very good time for some tax advantages from buying a new work vehicle. Thank you guys for watching.